How to migrate your shared hosting website. There could be different reasons that would need you to migrate your shared hosting website. Whether you're moving to a different hosting provider or are switching platforms, be prepared to make the move easier. Here's how you can migrate your shared hosting website for a smooth move. Manual transfer. Some people want to migrate their website manually to be reassured that nothing gets left behind. The first step in a manual transfer would be to purchase the new web host and prep it for the move. If you're moving a static website, you can simply download all your files and upload them to the new host. Maintain the file structure and use an SFTP agent like FileZilla to carry out the move efficiently. If you're using a CMS, install it on the new host before importing your database from the old server. Most CMS offer easy transfer facility to transfer data, or you can use cPanel's phpMyAdmin to transfer the database. The next part is moving emails, and it's easy if hosted on a domain registrar. Just change your record to point to the new host's IP address. If you have a third-party email host such as Microsoft 365, ensure that MX and other records are updated in your DNS. If your old host is hosting your emails, you can download them using cPanel File Manager and upload them to the new host. Automated transfer. Choose a web host that offers free migration and they will do all the heavy lifting for you. Request a site migration with your new host, provide all your old login data, and they will take care of the rest. HostGator's shared hosting offers a state-of-the-art infrastructure with a powerful cPanel and professional email hosting.